is Dr. Srivatsa. I would like to start with a quote from the movie Jurassic Park. Scientists were so preoccupied with whether or not they could, they did not stop to think if they should. Humanity is now facing a mortal enemy that surpasses our own intelligence. A tiny micro-organism that has indeed brought us to our knees. It has learned from us, adapted to us, and now exploits our genetic vulnerability with lethal precision. It's ironic, a fantasy movie aptly describes the medical crisis we face today. I'm talking about antibiotic resistant bacterial and emerging infections.
Ebola is now an epidemic of the likes that we have not seen before. It's spiraling out of control. It is getting worse. It's spreading faster and exponentially. Very weak public health system is near collapse in these countries. Patients are being turned away, and people are literally dying in the street.
One of 4 high-tech centers in the country designed to handle the most deadly and contagious diseases. Even the heroes are scared. Doctors and medical volunteers are vulnerable.
Sadly, he who dares speak up are ridiculed, humiliated, ignored, dismissed, and often ostracized by members of our profession and institutions. Yet, the death toll mounts while our greed, over-enthusiastic urge to encourage consultations, perform tests, procedures, hospitalization, and addiction to antibiotic escalates at an alarming rate. Pharmaceutical companies, medical device manufacturers, and government, and even some doctors reject this elephant in the room. By not guarding the miracle drug as custodians, we allowed antibiotics to fatten chickens, treat animals, encourage nurses use our clinical skill to diagnose illness, prescribe drugs, and chemists to sell antibiotics without prescriptions. We have now lost a very valuable drug that helped us fight infections, learn more about our body, make advances in medical possible, perform surgical procedures, develop transplant surgery, IVF, and save millions of lives. I sincerely hope that a collective decision is made to change the destructive pattern of consultation and management of illness. My mission is to help encourage members of my own profession to share knowledge, innovate, and develop products and methods to fight infection.
Emergency Carrie speaking. He's here? He's here? That they're hepatitis positive, that they have TB, or whatever disease it is that could be communicable. If their lifestyle is considered high risk, then I would be more afraid. I'd be really scared, right? Because ultimately it affects you, and it might affect the people around you that you love, right? But you know, hopefully it's not.
I beg my members of my profession to shun their ego, share knowledge and information, communicate, join hands with us and help us stop this elephant in the room, threatening our profession and our very existence. Thank you.